In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create simple monthly budget in Microsoft Excel. We're going to build a basic budget worksheet that helps you organize your income, track your expenses, and automatically calculate what's left over at the end of the month. This setup is simple, practical, and easy to customize later based on your own needs. Start by opening the Excel file where you want to create your budget. Once the file is open, the first thing to do is create the table. In this example, the worksheet has two main sections. The first section is for income, and underneath that section, there are columns for source and amount. The rows below those headings are already filled in with example entries. Then there is a second section for expenses with columns for item and amount, and again the rows below are already pre-filled. Keeping your budget split into these two areas makes it much easier to read and maintain. Next, calculate your total income. Click on an empty cell where you want the total income to appear. In that cell, type a formula using equals, then sum, then open parenthesis, followed by the cell range that contains the values in the amount column of your income section, and then close parenthesis. After that, press enter. Excel will immediately add those values together for you. This is a great way to avoid manual math and reduce the chance of errors. After that, calculate your total expenses. Click on an empty cell where you want the total expenses to appear. Type the same kind of formula, equals sum, open parenthesis, then the cell range containing the values under the amount column in your expenses section, then close parenthesis. Press enter and Excel will total your expenses automatically. Now it's time to calculate your balance. Click on an empty cell where you want your total balance to appear. In that cell, type a formula that starts with equals, then select or type the cell containing your total income, then a minus sign, then the cell containing your total expenses. Press enter. This gives you the remaining balance after your expenses are taken away from your income. This simple budget lets you add income sources, track expenses, automatically calculate savings, and clearly see where your money is going. It's a solid starting point, and since this is just an example, you can always tweak the layout, categories, or labels to better match your personal budget. And that's it. You now have a simple monthly budget in Microsoft Excel that you can update each month to stay organized and keep a closer eye on your finances.